Live from London, this is BBC News.
So I don't know if you noticed, but this is actually an insect that is pretending to be a stick when disturbed. So the way it does it is it tucks its legs closer to its body and it holds its first two front legs against its antennae. Here is the same stick insect on the leaf. And in a moment we'll get a close-up of its head. Now you can see the antennae and the eyes, and it's woken up. Off it goes.